Welcome to the project of obstacle avoidance robots. So with intelligent vision, in this project we are going to controlling the robots in a independent way. Based on the obstacle detection, the robots will avoid the obstacles and it will make the decision of in own way and take the diversion from the obstacle. So whenever if there is an obstacle detected in front of these robots, so it will check for the obstacle status in the left and the right side of this robot, and if the obstacle present in the front and left side, so it will choose right side, and if the obstacle present in front and left and right in both directions, it will go for the back first of all, and then it will choose the different path. So initially the first choice is going to be the left side or right side based on the obstacle presence in front of this IR sensors. So coming to this components explanations, so we are using a 12 volt 1 amp battery pack. So this battery pack consists of 3 4 volts 1 amp batteries connected in series, so that we will get the 12 volts 1 amp power supply. And by giving the power supply to this L293D initially, and from there by using the 7805 regulator, so we can see that, so it will provide the 5 volts constant DC voltage, and that DC voltage will be given to this PIC microcontroller motherboard at this section. And this motherboard consists of crystal oscillator. So as we can see that 20 megahertz of crystal oscillator, and the microcontroller number is 16F72. And so though we are already directly providing 5 volts power supply, so no need of these components won't work, as directly we are providing 5 volts power supply. If you provide any like 12 volts or power supply, then we need to connect that here. And this is the power LED indication, and this is the reset switch, and this are nothing but right side IR sensor, front IR sensor, left IR sensor. So these three interface at A0, A1, A2 respectively, and C0 to C3 interface to L293D motor driver. So L293D motor driver is a dual H bridge IC, so we can control 2 DC motors simultaneously by giving the trigger pulses inputs from the microcontroller. And coming to this charging circuit, as we said that this is 12 volt 1 amp battery, is a rechargeable battery. So from the transformer 230 volts, we are going to step down the 12 volts AC, and by using the bridge rectifier we are going to get the pulsating DC, and after this capacitor we will get the pure DC, and the LED is the status of indicating the battery is getting charging. And once we need to connect this 2 pin at this shown B section, and here the 2 diodes placed here are for unidirectional current flow purpose. Whenever the battery voltage is high than the input voltage, then these diodes won't allow the back voltage reverse current to the transformer. So we need to keep this for at least of 4 to 6 hours, at least minimum, maximum of 8 hours, to make this battery fully charged. So let us see the demonstration. And main important point while demonstrating this project is we are not supposed to show these IR sensors in towards the sunlight like this. So if we show that, then the lights, the sunlight consists of IR, so then it will make it as a directly obstacle detector status. So there is a 2 LEDs on this IR sensors. One LED is a power LED indication, and another LED is a obstacle detection indication. So as you can see that the 2 LEDs on getting on. So if I place this robots in this direction, and if we on that, if we cover the sunlight, then you can see that. Okay, so let us see the demonstration. So in this manner we are going to control that. If it's 2 says the obstacle is detected, coming back side, so it is in the left side direction. So in this manner the robot will move automatically. Thank you.